Hi, I'm Craig and today I'm going to talk about irregular verbs in English. If you've seen my other videos on verbs, then you'll be familiar with the present tense, the simple past, the past participles and past perfect, which is what we're going to talk about today. There are approximately 200 irregular verbs in English, although many new words are added to the dictionary each year. These are 5 verbs, and I will create more videos with different irregular verbs soon. But make sure you stay tuned until the end for the most irregular verb and the most frequently used verb. If you'd like more information on these verbs or anything else, then please click the link in the description and book a private English lesson. And remember to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment in the comment section, as I aim to answer all the questions that are in the comments. I will start with the verb to beat. Many verbs in English have the exact same form as the infinitive in the present tense, and some verbs, just like this one, are also the same in the simple past. I beat, you beat, they beat, and with he, she, it, we simply add an S. He beats, she beats, it beats. The word beat can be used in a few different ways. I played chess and beat my opponent. I won. You can say I won, but you cannot say I beat. Beat must be followed by a noun. For example, opponent. I beat my opponent. Or a proper noun like I beat Lucy. Or a pronoun like I beat him, I beat her. In the present perfect tense, the regular verbs generally end with ed. However, this isn't the same with the irregular verbs, as they can have many different forms. The verb to beat in the present perfect is beaten. So, for example, I have beaten Carl. It is the same in the past perfect. I had beaten Carl. Because I've already used it, let's look at to win. Win is the same in the simple present tense. I win, you win, we win, they win, and once again we just add an S for he, she and it. He wins, she wins, it wins. I always win karate competitions. The simple past, like I used earlier, changes to won, and it is this form regardless of whom you talk about. Won is also used in the present perfect. I have won the lottery. And the past perfect. I had won the lottery, but I lost my ticket. To do is another irregular verb, and once again the simple present is the same form, but the simple past is did. Although it is the same for all pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she and it. You did a good job at repairing my car yesterday. The present perfect, however, is done. Done. What makes these irregular verbs easy is that they all have the same form regardless of the pronoun used. So I have done my homework, and the past perfect, I had done my homework, but the dog ate it. That brings us on to another irregular verb, to eat. I'm sure by now you know the simple present is the same, and with he, she and it you just add an S. But the simple past changes to ate. I ate my lunch. He ate a lot of sweets earlier. Once again, the present perfect and past perfect are the same, which is eaten. Have you eaten all your vegetables? I had just eaten my dinner when the phone rang. Now, the most irregular verb and the most common verb is to be. The conjugations for to be in the simple present are am, are, and is. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. I am Craig. I am 39 years old. I am here. You are my best friend. He is my boyfriend, or she is my girlfriend. The simple past form of to be has two forms, and they are was and were. I was, he was, she was, you were, we were, they were. I was at work yesterday. They were eating their breakfast this morning. You were studying for the exam. He was at the shop. As you can see, none of these conjugations look like the verb to be. The present perfect, though, at least, has two letters the same. Been. I have been awake all night. She has been working on this project for 2 years. This is the same with the past perfect. They had been working all day. Please remember to like and subscribe and book a private lesson by clicking the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.